My name is Abdurrahman Sheikh Arningwala from Pakistan. I am a student of Islamic School Online Academy. Let's move to our video.
Water is essential for life, health, and ecosystems, supporting drinking, agriculture, and industry. Despite covering 71% of Earth, only 3% is fresh water, making conservation crucial. Saving water today secures our future. The importance of World Water Day.
World Water Day is observed annually on March 22nd every year. That day was established by the United Nations in 1992 and decided in 1993 the first time to highlight the importance of fresh water and educate for sustainable water management.
This year's theme, Glaciers Now, reminds us that glaciers are not just frozen landscapes, they are the lifelines of our planet. Understanding glaciers, the frozen reservoirs of fresh water. Glaciers are massive bodies of ice that have accumulated over centuries and hold 69% of the world's fresh water. They act as natural reservoirs, providing a steady water supply to rivers, lakes, and underground aquifers. Millions of people across the globe, especially in South Asia, South America, and the Arctic regions, rely on glacier-fed rivers for drinking water, agriculture, hydropower, and biodiversity. Countries like Pakistan, India, Nepal, China, and Peru depend on glaciers from the Himalayas and Andes to irrigate their farmlands and sustain millions of livelihoods. However, these frozen giants are under severe threat, and their rapid melting could bring catastrophic consequences. The climate crisis. Why are glaciers melting? We are at a tipping point. Global warming is causing glaciers to melt at an alarming rate, leading to rising sea levels, water scarcity, and ecological imbalances. Scientists warn that if current warming trends continue, many glaciers will disappear within this century. Key factors driving glacier melt include rising global temperatures. The Earth's temperature has increased by 1.1 degrees C since pre-industrial times. Accelerating ice loss. Greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon dioxide and methane emissions trap heat in the atmosphere, intensifying glacier retreat. Deforestation and urbanization. Land use changes disturb natural water cycles, further stressing glacier-fed water sources. Black carbon pollution. Soot from industrial activity settles on ice, absorbing heat and increasing melting rates. The situation is most severe in the Himalayas, Greenland, Antarctica, and the Alps, where glacier retreat is already affecting millions. The devastating impacts of glacier melt. As glaciers disappear, the consequences are far-reaching and devastating. Water scarcity. Glaciers feed major rivers like the Indus, Ganges, Yangtze, and Amazon. Their loss will disrupt water supplies for billions. Agricultural crisis. Farmers rely on glacial meltwater for irrigation. Without it, food production will decline, leading to hunger and economic instability. Extreme weather events. Glacier melt contributes to glacial lake outburst floods, gloughs, landslides, and unpredictable monsoons. This is not a distant problem. It is happening now, and we must act urgently. Global efforts to protect glaciers. The world is waking up to this crisis, and efforts are underway to mitigate glacier loss. COP climate summits. Global leaders discuss policies to reduce emissions and promote sustainability. Afforestation and carbon reduction initiatives. Planting trees and reducing carbon footprints can help slow global warming. What can we do? A call to action. While governments and organizations play a major role, we as individuals also have a responsibility to protect our planet. Here's what we can do. Raise awareness, educate others about the importance of glaciers and climate action, participate in conservation efforts, join environmental movements, plant trees, and support policies for sustainability. Imagine a world where our future generations no longer see glaciers, where water shortages cause wars instead of peace. Conclusion. The time to act is now. Glaciers are melting before our eyes, but we still have a chance to reverse the damage. We must remember, water is life, and glaciers are its guardians. As we mark World Water Day 2025, let this not be just a discussion, but a pledge to protect our water resources. Let us commit to sustainable living, climate action, and global cooperation so that the glaciers that have stood for thousands of years continue to sustain life for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can save our glaciers, save water, save glaciers, save our future.